Hey, welcome back guys to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy. Today we're going to talk more about price. I'm really happy with overall the sentiment of Ecomi and how it's been moving lately. We do have a lot of key things. San Diego Comic-Con is going to be very soon. And of course we did get KYC and we did get cash payout. This is really good for me because we can really understand that Ecomi is delivering everything they're saying or trying to do the best they can. So this is showing me that, you know what, maybe VVverse is in this year and it's around the corner. Fingers crossed, we do have a lot of great sentiment coming around the corner for Ecomi. Okomi is a great project. I do believe everyone should have a certain amount of Okomi, and I do want to talk about that specifically in another video. Those videos are going to be special for people that want to know exactly how much Omi token they really need in their bags in order to secure their financial future for the future, guys. This is really important. How much Omi tokens you gotta have. It's very important. Okomi is doing a lot of great things, and I want to talk about that specifically in today's video. If you guys do like this type of content, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, this is not financial advice. This is just my advice, what I say to myself and what I give towards my students. So right here, we did have a breakout around this key level 0.00118. We did talk about a key reversal, head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, a channel. We had a key breakout. What did I say and what did I say exactly was going to happen? We have a trade right here. I even mentioned when it breaks out, we're looking for that retest confirmational move. We got a 2-to-1 trade and exactly filled our criteria for a 2-to-1 trade. So everyone that got into that trade, great win. That was such a great win overall. The Elliott wave is going to be discontinued just because there is an error. The 3 rules are broken, especially the 1 rule that needs to not be broken. That's going to be wave 4 cannot impede wave 1. As you guys can see, price did break towards the upside. This means Elliott wave formation is canceled. We don't need to use that anymore. That's why in order to be successful in trading, have what you need in your toolbox. Make sure you are performing with what you have. Do not just be stagnated. Do not just have one thing in your toolbox, and try not to do that consistently if you know you are losing. Try to find an approach that's going to make you consistent money, because that's the key. You don't want to consistently lose, you want to consistently win, okay? So right here, when we are looking at structure, I do want to take away some of the zones here, because as you guys can see, this was our 4th zone, the wave 4. We were looking for price to return to the downside if it did hold. If it did hold and we did see a candle formation and a reversal candle, as you guys can see, we have a bullish candle, wick rejection, nothing really to confirm us a sell to downside. So whoever looked to sell without that confirmational candle, you guys would have got wiped out. This is not a good strategy. This is a strategy that I personally teach, something that I'm really fond of. It works majority of the time, and trading is about making sure you can execute those and take away your emotions. If you could do that, you will be profitable no matter what, and it's about being profitable at the end of the year. So as we can see, price, what does it do? Whenever we get a rally, whenever we get a pump, I always mention this as much as I can, guys. At this key level, when we're looking at this structural level, exactly 0.0013, if we know that it didn't break to the downside and it actually pumped to the upside, what is it going to do? If news comes in, news is going to reverse. And exactly where does price go back? It goes back towards a key level, and this would have been a confirmational move to the upside. I'm going to show you guys how simple trading is, and today's video is all about simplicity. So just for that purpose, I want to take away this chart, because every single time when I come to the chart, I draw a different idea, a different dynamic to the events of the new future moves of Ecomi. So this is going to be really fun. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So for that purpose, I take away those charts. Now I'm going to draw new key zones and levels that's going to make sense for now. All right, so right here we have a structural value that's making a lot of sense. But overall, when we look at the bottom structure of support, this is why price actually reversed. We do have a cup and handle here really forming into play. And if this cup and handle was true to its value, we still need to see a key level break. As we can see, this would be the cup and handle. Of course, it did not break above structure. If it does, this would have been such a great move for a breakout retest confirmation, and we could look for our move to the upside. This would have been such a superior move to the upside, and this would have just blown everything to proportions for bullish sentiment, and that did not happen. I just wanted to put it out there so you guys can understand trading is about understanding your difference of strategy and patterns and structures. There's always going to be different dynamic movements that you need to know. This is the lowest lows that price has fallen to, and this is going to be the rough estimate of 0.00105. That means price does have a chance to go back down, and this is going to be such a great time to buy if we are waiting for price to go all the way down here. So now, as we were looking at this, we were looking at another zone in the middle, and these are the 3 zones you need to draw in right now if you want to trade Okomi. 0.00152, that's going to be one level. 0.00129, that's going to be another level. And of course, the bottom level of 0.00106, that's going to be another level. And now when we came back to structure and we said to ourselves, why did it reverse here? There's going to be a simple strategy, guys. Go towards the 4 hour. We seen price actually reacting around this level. We knew price was going to do something special. We knew as traders, each time Ecomi does have a news, a pump, it always comes back to that key level. Once we were playing this out, what did we do? As traders, we waited for the key breakout and you would look for your first take profit around this section. And as you guys can see, this was such a great move to the upside. Really good confirmational move to the upside. Now we were wondering, what is price doing? What is structure doing right now? So if you guys are in this video and you're excited to see exactly where the future is going to go, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Right here in structural value, price made a high and it also made a low. Did price make a higher high? No, it did not. It failed to make a higher high. And when we're looking here, it also failed to make a lower low. And this is a formation we like to trade. This is going to be a symmetrical triangle that is forming. This is a pattern that we like to trade in my course. And especially this is indecisive movement. So indecisive basically means price is ranging. Price is deciding, should it go up or should it go down? So for those that are waiting for the key breakout, we can actually wait for a key breakout right here around these levels of roughly 0.00140. If we do get a key retest, this could be your first take profit. And of course, if it breaks the zone, then we'll get a stronger rally to the upside. Same thing that's going to happen if price does go down and it does retest. We could look for a short period of time. If it does respect the zone, we're not going to go a little bit lower. We might respect the zone and be support, and we can absolutely see price going a little bit up. But of course, if it does break to the downside, this is going to be the pocket trade that we're looking for. We're going to take full profits roughly around 0.0010. I do consider to a lot of people, if you are looking to place some entries, this should be one of your entry criteria. Why? Because you can always get a wick and then of course a reversal, and then price could go to a different zone. So this is a structure that we're looking at. We're looking for a key breakout, guys. So if you are looking at this diagram, try to draw this symmetrical triangle. We're waiting for the key breakout of this trend line. Once we get a key significant breakout, we're looking for a move to the upside. This is a great move if you guys are wondering. And also keep in mind, we do have an inverted head and shoulders that has been forming throughout this time. We are waiting for this important break of this head and shoulders, but also this key level that is forming. So 0.0015 is going to be that key level. We want to see the break, confirmational move. If we are to take a trade, we do want to take some profits right here. Of course, if you are entering a trade, stop loss below structure, and we are going to the next level, the next zone. And as you guys can see, once again, this is how easy trading is. This is going to be the next level, the next zone. We are going to look for full profits. If we are using the head and shoulders for our full profits, of course, we can use our symmetrical triangle as well. Just to keep it simple, if we are using the neckline break, look where it falls, exactly falls towards our ratio of our move to the upside of 0.00166, which is awesome, which is great for Okomi. And then we could see a retest and price to go back down. If we do see a break to the downside, which can happen, the head and shoulders will be invalid, and we would not use that for a taking profit action. We would actually use our symmetrical triangle. For the symmetrical triangle, we're going to take the breakout towards wherever it breaks out, and we're actually going to take full profits around 0.0010, not below. Reasons why: we don't know if it could go lower, and these are territories we never hit before. So if you want to be consistent, you want to have targets that are going to be realistic in this trading environment. Okay, we do want to go lower if we do break this level of 0.0012. So keep in mind, there's a lot of formation that's going to happen, but more or less, I do want to bring up one more pattern that's going to be really significant in this value right here. So we do have this beautiful zone, or this channel that's forming. So if you are a channel trader, you can absolutely trade the channel. So there's reasons why you trade the channel. Why? Because each time it bounces off the bottom and the top, and it gives us support and resistance throughout until it breaks to the upside or to the downside. The reasons why I wanted to bring this in is overall, if you look at the higher time frame, and this is actually a beautiful bullish flag formation, and a bullish flag formation, I do like the 50 zone. Once again, it lands right in the pocket of the golden lock zone. If prices do come, make a double bottom, we can absolutely see a rally to the upside. But hopefully you guys do put the perimeters in, and trading is all about being diverse. It's not about just having one method or one idea of price going up or down. It's about being able to rotate. It's about about it, if prices don't go your way and we see a lot of wick rejections or indecision, we want to reverse our ideas. Trading is not about guessing, it's about being precise in the entries that you have. So in my course, once again, we talk about this. We talk about reversals, we talk about entries, we talk about everything that you need to know. Guys, this was such a simple video for me, and hopefully you guys do enjoy this type of content. I try to keep it as simple as I can. Yes, there is a lot of fundamental things that can affect this. It's about how KYC goes for everyone, payout goes for everyone. But remember, when cash is going out, we need supplies back in. And if it doesn't work like that, you know, the price can volatile and it could switch up. If it does go down, does not mean Okomi is a bad project. It doesn't mean KYC was bad or payout wasn't that good. It just means the price is not ready to move up. So if price is not ready to move up, what you need to do is lock in your bags and get ready, because Okomi is going to the moon. Other than that, thank you so much, guys. If you guys do like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Take it easy, and John out. Peace.